5-4, we're getting into compound inequalities. These are going to have and or in them. So this one here, negative 2 is less than or equal to x minus 3 is less than 4. This is an and problem. When it's I call this a sandwich. There's two options that you have to do this. Option number 1 is just to complete it as it is. Negative 2 is less than or equal to x minus 3 is less than 4. Now, how do we get rid of this minus 3? Well, we add it, but we have to add it to all three pieces. It's kind of putting two equations together and solving them. So 1 is less than or equal to x is less than 7. That's the answer, but now we have to graph. So here's 1, here's 7. It's an equal to, so it's a closed circle at 1, open circle at 7. X is bigger than 1, but x is less than 7, so it's everything in between there. That's one way to do this problem. Another way is to split it up. X minus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 2, and x minus 3 is less than 4. Add 3 to both sides. X is bigger than or equal to 1. Add 3 to both sides. X is less than 7. And we come up with the same answer over here. 1 with a closed dot, 7 with an open circle, and everything in between. So that's the and problems. We're looking at and, that means both things, where they overlap. That's key here. An and problem is where do they overlap? Well, they overlap in between here. Now, if we get to an or problem, it's this inequality or this inequality. We've got to solve both of them. So minus 7, negative 2m is less than or equal to 6. Divide by negative 2. Well, I got to switch that sign. So m is bigger than negative 3. And then over here, now I want to subtract 12. 5m is bigger than 25. Divide by 5. M is bigger than 5. When we graph this, we have negative 3 here and a closed circle, and we're going to shade this way. And we have 5 here, open circle, and we're going to shade this way. So this is different here. Because it's an or problem, we take everything. So they overlap here. It's not where they overlap over here. It's everything. So we don't really even need this x is bigger than 5 because this already takes care of it. So our answer and our graph look like this. Or is everything, and is just where they overlap.